Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a run button in VS Code. Now, first you want to go to Visual Studio Code, and then you want to click on extensions. After that, you want to search for Code Runner. Code Runner this is the extension here. Just click on it. It's called Code Runner. Now you want to click on it and then make sure you install it. Just click on install. Now after you install the Code Runner extension, you want to go back to code. Now I'm going to do that here. Now after you click here, run and debug, you want to click here. It's in the top right. You will see here this run, and then click on quick run or run code here, or you can click also all Ctrl plus Alt plus N, and after that, that's all you need to do. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. See you in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.